Today, let's talk about a key player in the medical apparel world, Medlooms. If you're a US brand, this question probably hits pretty close to home, right? So, meet Medlooms. They're not just a manufacturer, they're an engineering partner. And they've been at this a while. We're talking 2 decades of solid textile expertise.
That experience has earned them the trust of over 150 hospitals and agencies. Their whole philosophy: healthcare pros deserve way better than generic, uncomfortable uniforms. And their secret weapon is a totally integrated process. They control quality from start to finish.
So, how do they pull it off? Let's break down their 4 key stages.
It all kicks off with sourcing the absolute best materials for healthcare settings. Next, they engineer their own awesome fabrics. Think signature 4-way stretch and moisture-wicking comfort.
Then you've got the stitching. It's technical, it's reinforced. These things are built to last.
And get this, the last step is a 100% inspection. Absolutely nothing ships without it. Now, this is huge for US brands. Their entire process is tailored just for you. They get what you need: breathable fabrics, on-time delivery, and even low minimum orders.
And hey, don't just take my word for it, just listen to their US clients.
Getting started is pretty simple. They've got 2 clear paths, depending on your business. So whether you're a startup or a huge hospital system, they've got you covered.
For any US brand out there, the real question is, are you ready to level up?